correct?
Right.
The way Yaba is, the mannerism, I don't think it's. Have you tried going through the practice exam one? No, we
No.
need to we need to look at your face. Why have you turned off your camera? Turn it on. So what's the challenge? What is preventing you from going through the practice exam? Because you have your respective Geometrics practice account. I'm giving you the access code. So what is the challenge?
Yeah, I don't get enough time.
Hey, what have you been doing?
Cause I go somewhere during the day, like
Somewhere.
every day of the week.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So are you working?
sort of not working, but just internship.
Internship. Oh, okay. At least you're gaining some experience. So it's fine. It's understandable. It's fine. Okay. So we will take it. Yeah, Adara, right? So she's an intern. Yeah.
Yeah,
Gaining some experience, work
yeah.
experience, which is good. Yes. It's fine. It's fine. I will accept that. So Benedict, only do us the honors of sharing your screen and taking us
Okay.
through the practice exam one.
Okay.
Yeah, but please turn on your camera.
Okay.
Uh, Okay, Benedict, I'm waiting. So share your screen and okay, boom, done. Okay. So have you opened the Geometrics?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So now let's look at the Excel practice exam one. Was it a skill review that we were? Okay, yeah, it was a skill
Yeah,
review.
the skill review.
Okay. No. Training.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's fine. We've already started. So we'll go through testing. Don't worry. We'll do it. We'll do it. So within 50 minutes, we need to finish this as a team. And by a team, it is Dara, Yaba, and Benedict. I'm not part of the team. So you need to pool all your resources together to get the questions right. I'm just an observer. Dara, I can't see your face.
There.
I'm looking at the ceiling of your room.
Hey.
Yes. Okay, task one.
Yeah, I'm back. There.
Okay. Task one, please carry on. I'll just keep quiet and watch you guys.
In annual sales worksheets, insert a column sparkline in the cell G6 that references the data in cells B6 through E6.
Yes.
So in the cell G6, so we go to G6 and select it. Then we're supposed to insert a column sparkline. So we go to insert to the sparklines group, drop it down and select column sparklines. Then it gives us the range we're supposed to, an option for the range we're supposed to put in. And then the question is B6 to E6. And then okay. And then it's okay.
Okay. So are we all okay with this? Dara, Yaba?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yeah, okay.
Okay, move on to the next task. Me, I won't say anything, no. I don't know.
So use the AutoSums tool to get the sum of the values for each of the cells B through F in the total row.
So Dara, can you help us with this?
Yeah. Where's the? I'm not seeing the AutoSum. Let me check.
Formulas.
Yeah. So we'll select B to F16.
Okay.
No.
She's saying B16 to F16. Benedict.
Okay. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Okay. What's next?
Then we'll select the also sum.
Okay. Done. Okay. So Yaba, we are coming to you. You are next in line. Okay. Okay, so I with you. Yes, on mute. Uh-huh. What say you, Yaba? Or you want to pass it on?
Yes.
Okay. So who are you more or less suggesting to take on the mantle?
There.
Okay, Dara, over to you.
So this is the total worksheet. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So would yes
So
Okay, Benedict wants to step in. Okay.
So I think usually in the practice they make you name a cell range or fiction 12 before we come to this bit. But I think since they say we should do the sum of, so it's been named for us. So we go to B2 and then enter the formula, which is equals to sum bracket, then enter the name fiction 12 and then close bracket, sorry, and then enter.
That's it. So we already have a named range, then you use it in a formula. Okay, let's move on. So Benedict 2, Dara 1, Yaba 0. I'm counting. Let's continue. Yes, we're coming to Yaba. Change the margins to the narrow settings. This evening, I dare your case. Yaba. Change the margins to the narrow settings. Where do we go?
Yeah.
You want to pass it on? You won't even try. Hey, Yaba. Try. Your brother is trying to give you, some tips.
Okay, he should go to the margins.
Yes. And then what's next?
And there's narrow at the bottom. You should choose it.
So Yaba 1. Let's go. Another one. So Dara, will you take on this challenge?
Yes.
Okay.
A7 to F7. So we are copying the cells from A7 to F7. So we'll select the whole column. Not the whole column, but like
the
from
whole
A7
row.
to F7.
Okay. There's a row.
Sorry,
it's not
row.
A column.
Sorry. So we'll copy the selected cells. and we paste them at A19 to F19. Yeah, so paste.
Okay. So now what? 3, 1, 2. Okay, let's go. Benedict, over to you.
So insert the basic process smart art graphic below the data in the worksheet. And so we select any space below the worksheet. Go to insert, and then I think is it illustrations? Yeah, then smart arts, and then it gives you a dialog box. It says basic process, so we go to process and select basic, which is the first one, and then okay. Yeah. And that's, it gives you the option for text, but we don't need text. So
okay. So 4, 4, 2, 1. Okay. Let's continue. So Yaba, over to you. Change the theme of the current worksheet to iron. Theme. Where do we go? Where do we click? Where can we find a theme?
Page layout.
Okay. Let's go to page layout. Do you have themes over there?
It's the first thing over there.
You see? You're looking for what? Iron.
What's the
That is it. So you see, you can do it. When you put in the effort, you can do it. So now we have what? 2, 2, what? 3. Okay.
4.
Let's continue. 2, 2, 4.
Yes.
Okay.
Without using the average function.
This is for this is for Dara, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Without using the average function, create a formula in the cell H4 that gets the sum of the values in the cell E4 through G4 and divides the number by 2.
So what's the H4? Here. And no, that then equals to sum. E4 to G4. Divided by 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that makes it what? 4, right? So now we have 4, 4, what? 2. Or what?
4, 3, 2.
4, 3, 2. Okay. You keep the score.
In the quarterly sales worksheet, cell B9, enter a formula that consists of a cell reference to the annual sales worksheet, cell F16, multiplied by 1 plus the growth value in the quarterly sales worksheet, cell B3.
So who is this question for? Is it for Yaba? Yaba, is it your question? Hey, is she there? Or she has frozen? Hey, Yaba. She's pretending that. Where is she? She's gone. Okay. So it will be between you and your sister, Dara. So who is going to go for it?
So I think with this one, So in the quarterly sales sheet, so we go to the quarterly sales sheet and then go to B9. Then you need to put in a cell reference for cell F16. So equals to, and then go to annual sales and select cell F16. And then multiplied by 1. So the asterisk, and then
1. Okay.
Then plus the growth value in cell B3 or cell B3 of the
Quarterly
quarterly
sales.
sales. Yeah.
Okay.
Cell B3. And I think that's it.
Okay. Okay. Let's
I'm not
continue.
sure about this, but I think that's it.
Because if you multiply, then you should have parentheses or brackets around it, then plus 1. That's
Okay.
fine.
So
So you can edit it here. But it should yeah. So you put a bracket around it after the
multiplied by 1.
1. So this
Okay, so
multiplied by 1, but it will still give you the same answer plus the growth. So you need
which
to
one?
no.
The
parentheses should come after the 1.
Oh, okay.
After the 1.
And before the plus?
Yes.
Okay.
No. You should have the parentheses, that is the closing parentheses after the 1 and at the opening of the equal to sign.
Oh, okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Because if you're using the PEMDAS principle, parentheses, exponent. So exponent first with multiplication, then division, addition, and what subtraction. So something like that.
Okay.
You should still get the same answer anyway. Okay.
Okay.
So I have a question.
Ask.
So do you just select it or you copy it like to select it?
No, you
I
just
don't know if
click.
you understand my question.
You click, because this is what cell reference.
On the cell.
Yes, so once you click on it, it will automatically pop up because you're making reference from another sheet. But you can type it, but when you type, the tendency for you to make a mistake is very high. So it's better you click for it to populate automatically, then you come back. Is it okay? Okay, the next one. Create a new worksheet.
Sorry, Yaba says she's joining.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Oh, don't worry. She will join. Don't worry.
Okay,
you don't need to admit her. She'll come in by herself.
Create a new worksheet based on the expense report sample template. So we go to file, and then I think because I've done it before, it's here in the new. So expense reports, and then okay. So apply the style heading 3 to the title Black Bread Books. So to the style, the heading, the title Black Bread Books. We go to home, and then think cell styles, and then select heading 3. Hello?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Okay. I wasn't seeing it. My screen was blank, so I thought
Don't
I had
worry.
disconnected.
Yeah.
Okay. So in the June worksheet, in cells E4 to E33, use the if formula to display a 1 if the values of the cells D4 to D33 are greater than 2,500, and a 0 if it is less than or equal to 2,500. So I think we start off by selecting E4 to E33. The cell range E4 to E33. And then go to the formulas tab. And then I think insert function. And then click if. And then go. So the logical test here is if the values from D4 to D33 are greater than 2,500. So greater than 2,500 is value if true is the cell range D4 to D33, and then
Yep.
1. The whom is
Because this uses relative, style of reference, and it's not absolute. So once you do it for one and you do an autofill, the formula should work for all. So instead of doing D4 through to D33,
okay.
you only do D4.
So only select
Aha,
E4
that is
and
it.
set the function, and then select if, and then the logical tests. If greater than 2,500. D4.
So the value
1
if true is 1, and value if false
is 0.
Okay. Do you all understand? Dara Yaba.
Yes.
And then
Yaba, do you understand? No. Oh, okay. So we're looking at the if condition. Okay. We're looking at logical functions. So if you look at the question, in the June worksheet in cells E4 through to E33, use the if formula to display a 1 if the values of the cells, which is D4 through to D33, are greater than 2,500, and a 0 if it is less than or equal to 2,500. Okay, so Benedict, kindly open the if function for the first one. So there's a logical test. So if whatever is in the cell, is it D4? Yes. Whatever is in the cell D4, if it is greater than 2,500, yeah, we should display a 1. Does that make sense? So whatever is in D4, if it is greater, so D4, the logical test becomes D4 greater than 2,500. So that is the condition we are looking at. So once we look at the value in D4, if it's greater than 2,500, I want to see a 1. Otherwise, 0. Is it okay now? Yeah, is it okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So Benedict, please proceed.
In the annual sales worksheet, use the Find and Select tool to find a cell in the open spreadsheet that contains conditional formatting and apply a thick outside border.
Okay. No. Somebody's talking.
Yes.
Okay,
So go
so
to editing, find and select, and then select conditional formatting. It should give you the cell. It should highlight the cell, which is F16. And then we go to the fonts group and the borders, and then select thick outside borders. And then we see that's done.
That's it. Good. You have 25 more minutes to go, and you've only done 14 questions out of the 58. So you need to speed up.
In the source data worksheet, and hide any hidden rows. So we go to source data. And then I think view, I'm not sure, or review, or review. I think, no.
You can seek help from Yaba and Dara.
So in the view tab, the view, yeah, you go to the Windows tab and just beneath the split window, you find is it beneath it? Yeah, so beneath it, you find the unhide window. So just beneath the splits.
But this is talking
for
about rows.
rows.
You're talking about rows, not window.
Okay.
Okay, Yaba, do you want to step in? Okay. Okay. Unhide rows, right?
Yeah.
But you need to select the entire worksheet to unhide the rows.
Oh, okay.
So how do you select the entire worksheet?
I think Control A.
Okay. Now let's see how you will unhide the rows. So it's about cells. So the format, hide and unhide, under visibility, then unhide rows. Boom. Now you see 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 were hidden. And now we can see it. Okay. Move. Time is running out.
Okay. So in the annual sales worksheet, insert a 2D clustered column chart based on the data in cell range A5 to E15. Include the column headings and position the charts below the table. So inserting 2D charts of A5 to A15. So we select A5 to A15. Go to insert. I think then in the charts group, there's insert column or bar charts. In the 2D columns, the first one is the clustered column. So we click the clustered column and position it beneath the table as was requested.
Okay. One.
Yes. This says hide column A. So I think we right click column A from the top, and then in the drop down, we click hide.
Okay.
And then we change the options on this worksheet so that the grid lines are visible. We go to view and then show, and then check the grid line box. And then we see that they appear.
My girls, you are quiet. You want Benedict to take the lead always, okay?
So change the view to page layout.
Mhm.
We stay in the view tab, go to the workbook views group, and then the page layout is there. We click it, and then it gives us that.
You need to.
In the
Charge
time
the
card,
system.
yes. I want to see whether I have enough to just quickly pop
Okay.
into my so excuse me for one
Okay.
for a few seconds.
So whilst he's excused, yeah, but Dara, what is happening? Talk to me.
We are fine. We are fine.
Are you sure?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Fine.
Because I'm looking at somewhere in the middle of next month, you taking your certification exam. So you need to put in a lot of work. Practice, practice, practice. Okay. Our teacher is back. Take us through. Question 19, we have 19 more minutes left.
Okay, hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. So in the I don't know if we've moved on, or should I continue from where?
Yeah, continue.
Okay, in the time card worksheet, it says the image ftlogo.gif from the geometrics templates folder at the top of this worksheet. Okay, so I think you select any cell at the top of the worksheet. Go to insert illustrations. I think it should be pictures and place in cell, I think.
No, place over cell.
Place
So
over
place,
cells.
yeah, if it's in cell, it will just be too small.
Okay,
So
so place
place
over
over
cell from this device. So the FT logo.
So you need to go to your this PC. Scroll down, go to this local disk C. Go to your local disk C. It's almost full.
Yeah.
Go to users. Users. Your account name. Document. So geometry template is there, yeah. Okay. Insert.
Next question is, in the June worksheet in cell E34, enter a formula that returns the average value of all the numbers in the range B4 to D30. So you go to cell E34 and it says use average for the range B4 to D33.
Can we complete it? We have 15 more minutes.
We
So
will
speed
filter
up.
the data to only rows with a value that is above average displayed in the fiction. Filter the data so that only rows with the value that's above average are displayed in the fiction column. And then sort and filter.
So how do you sort and filter? You need to select.
Select everything first, sorry.
Now you select the heading.
The heading.
So from date, fiction, non-fiction,
Oh,
and references, that's where you apply your filter button.
okay.
Because if you do it at the top, you're going to make a mistake. Apply it again. It has not been applied.
So we are looking at the fiction column. And we're supposed to filter so that only rows with a value that's above average are displayed in the fiction column. So go to number filter and then select above average.
Okay.
So next, change the chart title to
Annual sales.
Okay, so come here and okay. Then in the source data worksheet, set the print settings to repeat row 1 at the top. Okay, so we go to source data worksheet. And I think this one we go to, is it review? Page layout. It's page layout.
Okay.
And then print titles. So for the sheet, So we go to sheet, sorry, and then the options there for row to repeat at top. In here we select the first row one and then click OK.
Okay.
And copy the formula in cell H4 to cells H5 to H32. I think this one we just drag down.
Okay. Autofill.
H4 to H32. Now we go to the next and inspect the current workbook for hidden properties such as author. Remove any of these properties that are found and return to your document. Okay, so here for inspection, I think we have to go to File. Then here we go to Info. And then there's an option for inspecting workbook. Check for issues. With the drop down, we see Inspect Documents. So here we are told to inspect for hidden property, such as author. So you should make sure that document properties and personal information is checked. These other ones are not relevant to us, but we have this one checked. And I think we can click inspect from there.
Okay.
And then it was told that if there were any properties, we should remove them. So we remove such as author. So we remove all. And then I think we are done. We close and then head back to the quite quick to the document. Then apply a conditional formula, a conditional formatting to the values in the columns E, F, and G. Apply a yellow fill to any cells with a value equal to 5. So for cells E, F, and G, I mean columns E, F, and G.
Yeah.
You highlight them, the values here.
Okay.
Conditional formatting should be in the home tab. You bring the drop down and then we need to set a rule for cells that are the instruction was apply a fill to any cells with a value equal to. So we go to equal to and then we put in the number 5 and then yellow fill. I don't think it's here, so customize format and fill and then yellow.
Yeah. Okay.
And then the next one, save this spreadsheet as a PDF file named Excel 05 in the Gmetrics folder. Do not open the file from okay, so we go to File, Save As. We drop down to select PDF. That's what save it in the Gmetrics folder. More option. And we are already in the Gmetrics folder, so and we are not supposed to open the file after publishing, so we uncheck that and then save.
Perfecto. Good.
And the next, in the annual sales worksheet, apply a link to the title Fusion Tomo Inc. That links to the website, www.fusiontomo. And so the title is here. Select that, and then insert. Go to the link group, drop down, insert link. Enter the address www.fusiontomo.com. and then click OK. Then in the June worksheet, apply the table style like for the cells A32 to D34. So A3 to D34. I think we have that in. So A3 to D34. And we're supposed to apply. Okay, so format as table style like
Okay.
next. Merge and align right the content in cells A2 through D2 in a June worksheet. So A2, that's here, to D2. We have the merge in alignment, in the alignment group. Merge and I think we can do merge across.
Mm-hmm.
And then align right.
Okay.
Creates a hyperlink in the cell B12 that links to the file Excel 7 in the Gmetrics folder. So we must go to B12. B12. And then we're supposed to set name. And then we have documents to link here. And we're supposed to link Excel 07. And then so that's that. And the next. Filter the data so that only the people with a position of developer are displayed. So I think we are dealing with position here.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's okay if I just select position and sort and filter.
See, it's not going to work. So you need to select the entire column.
Okay.
You select the row where we have the column.
Heading.
Yes.
Okay.
So you do that to apply a filter.
So you can't apply a filter without selecting.
Yes, you have to select. Do it again.
Okay. So what we are concerned with is position. So filter the data so that only the people with the position of developer are displayed. So all the positions are selected here. We deselect all and then select only developer since that's what we want. Okay. And then only the people with a position of developer are displayed. In the cell B18, enter a cell reference to cell A7. So cell B18, that's here. To enter a cell reference, we click equal to, and then go to the cell that's being referenced, and in this case it's A7. And I think enter. And then we have our cell. The source data worksheet, sort the data alphabetically by customer ID and then by product. Okay, so we go to source data. I think here again we select all and then we go to sort and here we need a custom sort. So first we're supposed to sort by customer ID. alphabetically. So source on cell values, and then order is already A to Z. And then we add another level for the next thing we're sorting by. That's by products. And then that is also alphabetically. So from A to Z. Then we click. Okay, so I think we sorted.
Okay.
And then go to add a dark blue border to the image. So the image we added, I think,
Hmm.
no, we go to picture format. Sorry,
Okay. Yeah.
picture format, not format. And then picture format. This is the picture border,
Mm-hmm.
and we're supposed to add dark blue. I think dark blue is this one. Okay. Okay, so now we see that it's added. Yeah, it's added. And then use fill to copy the spark line from cell F33 to F8 to F32. So I think we can use our usual method and then
Mm-hmm.
autofill from it's from F8. Okay, that's here. F8 down to F8. Okay, so that's and then unmerge any merged cells into of the review worksheet. So row 2, the review worksheet, we unmerge. So we just click on the merge button
Mm-hmm.
and it unmerges. Okay, so in the June worksheet, use autofill to extend the series starting on 842. Okay, so I think our time is up.
Time up. Yeah, but your camera is out. Okay, let's see. So we're only able to do 38 out of the 58 questions. Okay, tap on the right green arrow.
Okay.
So, yes. Oh, it's not working.
No working.
Okay.
Okay, I think it's working.
Okay, it's grading it. Okay. Let's wait for it. It will come. It will surely come. So what can we do to improve? Dara, yeah, but what can we do to improve? Because we were supposed to complete this in 50 minutes.
More practice.
More practice, yes.
Yeah.
Because you have the account and you need to
Yeah.
use it. Please.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the files that we'll be using, like in the test,
Yes. You can stop sharing.
are they only accessible like when you're practicing for the test?
Yes.
Ah,
You thought you could have it in offline format.
or like I was just wondering.
So it downloads onto your system. Then after the test, it's gone.
Yeah.
Yes. Any other question? Yeah, but
No.
you don't have any question for me?
No.
Okay. Okay. So thank you so much for at least making the time to be with me this evening. And I would encourage you to, continue with the practice. Okay. So I
So
was
we can switch now from
come again.
practice. We can move on from the first practice there.
Yes. So the next one will be the skill review 2. So please
Skill
try
review,
and
yeah.
master the skill review 2. Then when you finish, you go to skill review 3 before we look at practice exam 1, practice exam 2, and practice exam 3. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.